In this book, the philosophical theory of infinitism is presented for the first time and under the form of a semi-fiction journey. Four people gather regularly to discuss the question of worldview and its necessity for having a better and meaningful life. Even though the subject is philosophical and complex, but the narrative is pleasing and simple. It's a friendly dialogue among people who try to simplify the intricate topics and make sense of everything in their life. The interesting point is that they can finally meet their goal and fabricate a worldview for themselves. This worldview is the philosophical theory of infinitism, where it's stated that everything is infinite or is not. From this assertion will emanate many others that join together coherently to present a vision of existence based on infinity. If everything is infinite, so is the capacity of matter to provide us all we need and desire, and also our aptitude to get there. The endless resources, on the one hand, and the infinite capacity of you and me to reach these resources, on the other hand. This is how infinitism suggests a worldview that could be immediately operational for anyone who wants to see infinity, not as a purely conceptual point, but the real factuality of matter. All these points are developed in this book, and you can go through the construction of this worldview step by step and see how the four personalities of this philosophical story are endeavoring to get there. The book is available in both versions of hard copy and ebook on Amazon.